Okay, I put some blueberries out for the guys. Oh, he only grabbed a couple. He's going back in. Maybe not. I put a row of them out. Hopefully he'll come and follow the trail of blueberries. So far, so good. Trying to get him closer so I can get a better photo of him. Oh, he's following the trail of blueberries. He's following the trail of blueberries. He's like, oh, blueberries. He's like, oh, look at all the blueberries. They set out free blueberries. Oh, not the one I set up on the log. He got it though.
Watching them from the windows. She's over there wanting to come out, and I thought, oh, I don't want to walk them in there. Stay up here. You stay here. Couldn't see him from the back there, just like kept waiting and waiting for it. So I come to the door here.
She's gonna ruin it. Dang it.
I could see him eating it.
Yeah, I'm recording it. I'm trying to.
Oh, you're recording it?
Yeah, I'm trying to. She'll scare it off though. Settle down, Bran. You're okay. Yeah, he's getting them.
Stay here. Stay up here. Stay up here. You stay up here. Boy, that's a fat-ass bird. Sitting up here in the sun.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I thought it was a rabbit.
He's loving them blueberries.
I see that. She was getting anxious. She kept going around, standing by the door, and I figured she's going to start barking. She barks loud. She wanted out here, and I could see everything right from that door
That's cool.
from the right near the cellar door.
Right? Keeps getting fuzzy.
Now you can go in and tell his sibling. Hey, look what's out here.
I think he's going to inform, yeah. He's got a cheek full of them now, for sure.
Just watched a video of how to train a groundhog. Hey, you can't control her. She's going to do what she wants to do. If she sees it, she's going to start barking.
Oh, looks like he went back in for a minute. See if he comes back out.
Took him a while to come out.
Mm-hmm.
I went to the bathroom and thought, why isn't he coming out? So I was coming out to ask you, and I looked out that window, and that's when I saw him come.
Well, looks like he's going inside for a minute.